That girl is a real crowd pleaser. Small world, all the friends know me, yeah. Young bone living like an old geezer. Release the cash, watch it fall slowly, yeah. Bad girl still trying to get even. Haters mad for whatever reason. Smoke in the air, binge drinking. They lose it when that DJ drops a needle. Every time I was in LA, I lose my ex-girlfriend. Every time you call, I told you, baby, I'm working. Oh, I was out to my dirt. Oh, wasn't thinking about you getting hurt. And baby, sound like man, not giving a damn who sees me. So gone, so wrong, acting like they never seen home. Think about me, be the good girl that you are. Bet you probably be a good man. Wanted you never thought what you think about to say after. Brace yourself, it ain't good. These are my confessions. Just when I thought I said all I could say, my chick on the side said she got one on the way. These are my confessions. Man, I'm thrown and I don't know what to do. Guess I gotta give part to my confessions. If I gotta tell it, then I gotta tell it all. Damn near cried when I got that phone call. I'm so gone, I don't know what to do but to give part to my confessions. You don't want a problem with me. If one more label trying to stop me, there's gonna be some dreadhead hitters in the lobby. Hey, hey, you don't want no problem with me. You don't want no problem with me. Just another day, had to pick up all the mail. Will and Alex, I didn't do this, just like be like, there you go. Okay, okay, it's okay. Breath so sweet like you'll play. But she ain't gonna wait, cause I know you're the top girl hitting third base on a first date. This is different though. Love so quick, call you the same boat. And I really hated to see you go. So hit me up when you get back home. I got what you need. Smooth like WD, you weak in the knees. SWV. No living back to sleep. Sleep breezy. Free versity, I got that. Hungry for the pop track. Pin and pop that. Two bros and nothing per row. Tell me how you can stop that. That girl is a real crowd pleaser. Small world, all the friends know me. These are my confessions. Man, I'm thrown, but you don't know. You don't want no problem with me. Thanks for watching.